guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be planting 3 variety of blueberry plant in this standing raised bed, and why we chose to plant those blueberry plants in this raised bed and the type of soil we're going to use. But before we do all of that, I just want to wish all of you a happy new year. Hope everyone is staying safe out there. Wear your mask. So these are the 3 types of blueberry that we're going to plant today. This one is the berry glaze, the peach sorbet, and the jelly bean. So the reason why we're planting them in that standing raised bed, not only these plants are small in size, this one, the berry glaze, is about 2 to 3 feet, and the peach sorbet is about 2 feet in height and in spread, and the jelly bean is a little on the smaller size, 1 to 2 feet at mature size, and they're good to have. This plant, it can self-pollinate by itself. You'll get blueberries perfectly fine, but if you get more than one, like I'm doing right now, if you get more than one blueberry plant, the amount of crops that you're gonna get that season is gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be really, really good. So that's why we're planting 3 different types, and we've done this before, so we're not just saying it. We've done this. We have a whole bunch of blueberries over there, and they always give out so many blueberries. It's because the cross-pollination. You know, the bees get to bounce from one tree to the next tree. You want to give yourself a lot of room so your blueberry plants could yield a lot. So it's the same old organic potting mix. I'm going to use the organic potting mix. I'm going to use some peat moss. I'm going to use some baritone and some soil acid finder, and I'm gonna mix all of this up and mix it up in the soil and make sure everything is good. The peat moss is real good. It's gonna lower the pH level of the soil because blueberry really love acidic soil, and I want to make sure the pH is between 4 and 5. You don't want it to be neutralized, or else it can kill your blueberry plant. So we're gonna do all that. We're gonna mix this up first, and then we're gonna put the plants in there. And then, I'm gonna put the fertilizer in there too, so the blueberry plant can, it has something in there it can eat and grow, so I don't have to worry about that. You just dump the soil in there. I'm gonna dump like 2 bags for now. Some peat moss. See the peat moss? I'm gonna put 2 1-gallon peat moss in there. And about 1 cup. You can put 1 cup if you want. So that's fine. I'm just gonna average it out. That's good for me. And the baritone, some pretty good stuff. Also 1 cup. And now we get busy. We're gonna mix this all up. Soil is soft and fluffy. Beautiful. Now we're gonna start planting the plants. urn, and I'm gonna put this Blackberry baby cakes. Oh man, I really want to plant this one. This is actually my first one. This Blackberry. I have Blackberry already, but I don't have this variety. So this one is pretty exciting. I'm gonna put this one inside of this urn, just like so. And see how it turned out. I'm gonna put it right next to my other Blackberry, that really big one. So, I mean, the same rule applied. The same rule I did with the blueberry, I'm doing the same thing with this one. I'm gonna just mix up some soil and throw this Blackberry baby cakes in there. Like this thing don't want to open. Just make that up. And here comes the girls. Hey, Mama. Oh, there we go. This. We're gonna throw dirt around this. Hey, crazies. See how easy this is if you wanted to put this on your patio? It is not hot today. It's about 37 degrees. You want to help me? You sure? I'm gonna make sure that soil is in there. I don't want to get your hands dirty. It's gonna get too cold.
You filled it.
No, I'll clean it up later, okay? And we're all done, just like that. I'm gonna keep a little space so I could water it. Check that out. This is a beautiful plant. 1, 2, 3, you have something very nice. I mean, no big deal. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around, watching our video. We really do appreciate it. Thank you. Like I just did, go out there, and especially in a town like this, you know, especially in a town like this, plant your own blueberries or blackberry, baby cakes, that is. Until then, catch you on the next one. Peace. We out. Alright guys, we're gonna play.